Mino Onagoshin. Good evening. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. And I thought I'd just step outside before the show, put out a little tobacco. I gotta say a prayer. You know, it's awfully late. I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure I'm gonna do such a good job on the podcast tonight and on the live stream. I gotta pray. So I'm gonna put out my tobacco. You know, back in the days of the grandfathers. The Anishinaabe way, the Indian way of praying. They told us that the tobacco, a sema, was a medicine, a mushkiki, and that we should use it when we pray. And you can put it in a pipe and smoke it, and then the smoke will deliver your prayers to the spirit world. Sometimes people would just trade tobacco. They come and you show up somebody, hey man, I'll give you a pouch of tobacco for some coffee, you know. And it turned into kind of a thing where it'd be like if you wanted to speak to an elder or a traditional person, to give them some tobacco. So when I pray, I always offer tobacco to the Great Spirit. So I'm going to say, BOOZHOO, Gitche Manado. Hello, Great Spirit. Daga Odapana Niwi Asema. Please please accept my tobacco. Daga we duka wishin. Ando minawe dibakuk. Please help me to speak well tonight. Miigwech iji bamarazian. Thank you for this life. Thank you for my life. Miigwech gagage niwi goshgain damoan. Thank you for healing my sadness. Dash miigwech bizan dawieg. And thank you for listening. Ni miigwech wandam gitchi manado. Ape Enge. Amen. Oh, that's really pretty snow. We are the Goon Squad and we're coming to town. Beep, beep. Today is Nijo Gija Good. It's Tuesday. It's the second day of the week. Nijo Gija Good. Second day. Tuesday. There's an old David Bowie song called Love You Till Tuesday. Look who's hiding in the apple tree, clinging to a branch. English people, they say branch, a branch. Clinging to a branch. Don't be afraid, it's only me, hoping for a little romance. If you lie beneath my shade, I'll keep you nice and cool. Ah, beautiful baby. My heart's aflame, I'll love you till Tuesday. My head's in a whirl and I'll love you till Tuesday. Love, 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 love you till Tuesday. Hoka hey, how come nobody's watching? All right. I thought I was going live. Start streaming, I did it. But nobody's watching. Streaming on Twitter and on YouTube. Where is everybody? I wonder what I'm doing wrong. I guess I'll go in and see what Natasha's doing. It's only 9 o'clock. How can everybody be in bed already? I don't understand. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO! Hi, sweetie. Well, hi, honey. What you doing? Well, I'm outside. I put out my tobacco and I said a prayer. Yeah. And then I realized that nobody's watching the live stream. They're not? Well, it says that there's 2 watching. Oh, really? Oh, okay. Maybe there just wasn't anyone there. You want to come in? Yeah, can you pick me up? Okay, hang on. 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Whoops. Let me try that again. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome NANABOOZHOO. What was that? It didn't work the first time. Oh, okay. So what are you saying? Nobody's watching? Yeah, nobody's watching the live stream. Well, we're not that popular. Well, we're more popular than nobody. This is the first time we ever did a live stream where no one was watching. And you know what? I screwed up. I didn't screw it up, but last night I had to do something different on OBS so we could go live on Facebook. Which, by the way, was a huge waste of time. Yeah, I know. I mean, like 3 people watched. I'm sitting there talking to nobody for an hour. You know, like right now. Yeah. Nobody's here. It's so weird. I must have screwed something up. Well, so what do you want to do, sweetie? Let's play a song and see if anybody shows up. All right. Just going to wait for somebody to show up. This is Let's Dance. Oh, there we go.
This one's called Let's Dance.
Let's dance.
Put on your red shoes and dance the blues.
Let's dance
To the song they're playing on the radio.
Let's sway while
Color lights up your face, baby.
Let's sway.
Sway through the crowd to an empty space. If you say run,
I'll run with you.
If you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms, tremble like a flower. Yay. Oh, let's dance
For fear your grace should fall.
Let's dance
For fear tonight is all. Let's sway. You could
look into my eyes. Let's sway under the moonlight.
Serious moonlight.
If you say run, I'll run with you. If you say hide, we'll hide. 'Cause my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, yay, let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance.
Yeah.
Oh. And you have been watching
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
podcast
about Ojibwe language.
and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is Emily.
BOOZHOO.
Over there is Nanaboozhoo.
Okay.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin Minowa.
Yeah, there's just no point if nobody's watching. Okay. I don't know what we did wrong. All right. Well, we're calling this a show. Maybe we just came on too late. I don't know what the problem is. Miigwech. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minoa. Hoa. That's kind of stupid.